Hey guys, it's your boy Smiles here, back with another video. Today I'm at my friend Rory's house.
Hey.
We're gonna be doing some fun tricks with Casey. We're also gonna troll with her. Hi. Okay, so
If you want to know how to do some fun things with your dog,
we're gonna teach you that too.
yeah, we're gonna teach you that too. So keep watching.
Okay, so I'm just gonna pop this up here for our first trick. So you're gonna go up to your dog. Guys, if your dog does not like this, do not do it. Do not force your dog to do anything that hurts you or your dog. Never ever. It will always... Oops. Okay, guys, I'm just trying to get a good angle on this trick. Okay, so here we have Casey.
Come together.
And then, so basically, we're gonna pretend to die. Okay, so guys, that was trick number 1.
That was trick number 1. We hope you all
Comment
liked
down
it.
below how your dog reacts.
Yes.
So for this trick, let's tell him. So
Okay. For this trick,
basically, you're gonna want to hold your neck. No, it's okay.
we're gonna want to hold your neck with both hands.
And then you're gonna drop, fall.
Yeah, drop to your knees, then fall over. But you also want to make this scratching noise with your neck, like. And then do a
Then she's getting a ball to try to see if you're alive.
And then do a little bit of vibrating too, like.
Yeah, every
Casey,
now and then.
no, not squishies. No, not squishies.
Guys, every now and then do this.
And giving your dog a squishy cupcake is not part of the video.
Just go and like bounce up and down a little while.
Like a little bit of vibration. Now, time for trick number 2. Come on up, Casey. Okay, this is gonna take.
Get her to come.
I got it.
Oh, she not like.
It's just gonna take 1 second.
Okay, so
You got this.
let's see. Hey, Casey.
Okay, Casey, you got it.
Okay, so ready? You hold the camera. I'll play it. I'll play it.
Oh, is this staying video?
Yeah. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it, Roy.
Okay.
Hold the camera.
We're
No,
filming.
Roy. Look, like this.
Hack.
Look. Go up to her.
Oh, that's the guy that gave it to you?
Shh.
Alexa, 80% volume.
No, what?
Sorry, you can only set the volume between 0 and 10.
Not said it, but yeah. Oh,
Yeah, we're not doing 80 volume.
Alexa, volume 5.
Barking Dog Sound Effect by Noah Smith, starting now on Amazon Music.
I guess. I don't think this idea's
I
working.
think she's more interested in the iPad.
And cut.
Okay, so what we did for that
So,
trick.
by the way, this is not sponsored at all, but basically you tell Alexa to play dog barking noises and then she'll start playing it. Okay, what's the next trick?
Dad, do you have any sheets?
Look, Roy, right here.
Why?
Okay.
Oh,
Ready? I'll film you
You're not
first.
gonna throw it over her.
No. He's gonna, no, Roy, go to the doorway.
Okay.
He's
Casey.
gonna ready? Here, wait. Go. Hey, Casey.
Take 2. Come on.
Wait, we need her to look at you.
Casey. Dad, do something to make her get your. Dad, get her attention.
Here, let me try. Go.
Okay.
Go back.
Hey, look at this. Come here, Miles. You made it in golf.
Hey, there's Miles in the camp trail for golf.
Yeah.
He's awesome.
Alright.
Okay, now Miles is going to attempt this trick.
Hey, Ron, you made it in for fitness.
And I made it in for fitness. We got to get this on camera.
Casey, come on.
Let's see.
Casey, come on.
It's not me.
How do I get Casey to come?
Facial recognition was wrong.
How do I get Casey to come?
Well, you could ask her, but she might not listen.
Casey. I got it.
Jacob K.
Okay.
Okay.
Which one's that?
So now Miles is going to do it.
Renee's boyfriend.
Oh.
Whoa. Casey, what happened? Who did that?
And Sam made it in for lacrosse.
Okay, so what we did for this one
Wait,
is,
we're gonna do one more.
okay, we're going to do it once more.
I don't think that's Sam. That's the girl that made the speech at the bat mitzvah in the lacrosse picture.
Sam made it in for STEM.
Yeah, but that's the girl that.
What? What was that, Casey? What was that? Okay,
I don't
so
think she's really getting it. So basically, what you're gonna do is just get sheets, throw it up, and run away at the same time, and see your dog's reaction.
okay, guys, remember, if we get likes, if we get a couple of if we get 100 likes on this
If
video,
we get 5 likes,
Where are you posting this, Miles?
YouTube.
But like where?
On his channel.
If we can get 5 likes on this channel, we will do another one.
yeah, we'll film another one.
And remember, if you like this, subscribe.
Wait, we have one more trick.
Oh, we do?
Yeah, get her in here.
Casey. Whoa.
Hey, Roy, did you guys want to watch anything?
Yeah. Yes.
What do you think you want to do tonight?
So look, this is how you do it. So guys, get your dog's favorite stuffed animal to chew on. Take it and go, and then go, and go, go. So how you're gonna do this is, Roy, film how you do it.
Okay. So.
No wait, just film me.
Okay.
So you're gonna take it and you're gonna go, and they get so confused. Good girl.
But then you gotta give it to them. Otherwise you're tormenting them.
Yeah.
You have to give it to them in the end, but afterwards you have to show them some affection to show that it was just a joke. Good girl, Casey. Okay, and remember, 5 likes and you can get another dog trick video.
And also remember, if you don't like this video in 30 seconds, you will never have a dog.
No, and remember, post your dog. If you do attend these tricks, post
Comment your dog's reactions
reaction
down below. This has been us. Not sponsored, by the way.